Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, November 8, 2022. Let's find out what is going on the Forex calendar today. We got some data overnight, of course, from, for example, from the Australia and from the New Zealand economy. We got the Westpac consumer sentiment, we got the NAB business confidence and inflation expectations. As you can see, the inflation expectations in Australia are increased from 3.1% to 3.6%. We got data from the Japan in form of the household spending, and the household spending increased from minus 1.7 to 1.8%. So pretty nice jump up. During the London session, we got plenty of speeches again because of the Eurozone meeting, Eurogroup meeting. And we got speeches from BUBA President Joachim Nagel, we got the BUBA Wurmeling speech, we got ECB Enria give a speech, and so on, including even the Swiss National Bank member Jordan. He's apparently a chairman of this bank. We got speeches from the FOMC members. We got speeches from the Bank of England members. Plenty of speeches, plenty of remarks might be done during this early morning hours. So please stay confident, stay focused on what is going on. During the New York session, we don't have too many data scheduled for this. However, we got the retail sales from Eurozone scheduled for this at 12 a.m. We got the EAA short-term energy outlook from the US, but this one goes goes to the public very late at 7 p.m. So very interesting day. However, plenty of speeches, plenty of remarks. Please stay focused during the especially early morning hours. Let's find out what's going on charts, and we are going to start with Australian dollar. Daily time frame chart of the Australian dollar is clearly showing us that the downtrend has not been completed. We have the recent bounce higher. This bounce was, of course, done after the low at the level of 6,275 was hit. Big bullish engulfing pattern, covering easily the level of this is 6,375. So that's the latest jump up. There you go. This is it, 5.69% roughly. So we got the wave A to the upside, we got the wave B to the downside. Now we wait for the wave C. So let's see exactly where is the projected level, projected target level for the bulls. So 1-to-1 target level is around 6,624, and let me just show you the 61%, and the 61% is at 6,492. So this level has been hit already, right? So the minimum level for the bounce has been hit very nicely. However, if we take out the highs of 6,525, which is the high from the last week, okay, then of course we can even test the technical resistance 6,580 and extend the bounce towards 6,624, which is 100% of the extension of the wave B measured from the bottom of the wave A measured from the bottom of the wave B. So very interesting setup here. Please be very careful trading this market, and stay focused observing the level of 6,492. This is the latest target level for bulls. This is the euro dollar, and because we have plenty of the remarks from the Euro officials, Euro group officials, let's find out what's going on the euro dollar again. And we have very nice bounce. As you can see here, we got the wave A, B, C completed, connector in the wave X completed. We have a breakout above the parity level. However, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, this breakout has ended with the pin bar again, so we have a slight pullback. And recently the wave A has been developed to the upside, but this is not the end of the wave A. I guess that we need to take the top of the wave C, which is 1.0094 at least, and then we will see maybe even the upper channel line will be hit as well. Then of course we are waiting for the wave B to the downside. This is just a just a corrective cycle, because that's not the last one. The last wave here is the wave C to the upside again. It looks like this market wants to trade inside of this channel, so that's our scenario for the euro dollar. This is how it might look like for the next couple of days. I mean, it might be even the end of the week. So that's the euro to the dollar. Let's find out something different. Let's find out what is going on the crude oil. For our chart of the crude oil is not enough for us, because we want daily time frame chart is much more better. And what do we see here is, of course, this falling wedge here, breakout to the upside. So we got the wave A already on the chart. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see clearly that the wave B was completed as well at 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, 82.85. So there you go. This is the bottom for the wave B, and right now we are trying to rally in the wave C as expected. First, top of the wave A at 93.63 was hit and even violated for 11 pips. However, as you can see, we got this very wide supply zone located between 93.73 98.38, and only if this supply zone is violated, the market can hit the top of the wave C, 99.26, which is of course the target of the market geometry. AB measured from the bottom of the wave A measured from the bottom of the wave B is the wave C, top at 99.26. So very nice setup here as well. Positive momentum, strong momentum might be helping bulls to achieve this target. And last but not least, Bitcoin. What is going on the Bitcoin? We got very big sell-off here, very big sell-off after, of course, the new local high was made at 21,427. Let's find out what is going on the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that this trend line here was initially okay for the bounce. However, the whole of the bounce had been sold and then broken strongly below the demand zone, below all of the support levels. So we are going back towards the congestion zone here before the breakout above the blue trend line has happened. So we have the pattern that looks very negative for bulls. It looks like there is more to the downside coming. We got the low at 19,371, which is pretty bad for anything, because the levels of 90,942 will act now as a technical resistance. The same situation is with the level of $20,034. This will be technical resistance. Of course, right now this zone here is the supply zone, so this is it. The zone is completely changed right now, and it will act as the supply zone. 20,211, 20,580. This is the zone, and this is the pink rectangle supply zone for the bears. Next target, 18,938, 18,854. This is the next technical support and next target for bulls. So it looks really bearish. Momentum already way over the level of 30 on the 4-hour chart. Extremely oversold market conditions, and it looks like we need some kind of a bounce, maybe towards the technical resistance, and then the down move should be continued towards the next technical support. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.